In this video we're going to talk about two useful commands that will help us in generating MATLAB scripts and further on down the line more complex functions. This is the script from our first week. It's the same, and if we execute it we can look at the output force, and there's variables called force and variable called mass here. A useful function we can use is clear. Using clear, it removes all the variables in our workspace. If I run the function, should I say if I run the script again, we can use clear to remove a single variable called mass. The variable called force is still remaining, but the variable called mass is gone. This is helpful when we're debugging. If we want to reset a variable for our own use, we can now create mass as 16 perhaps, and mass will now exist as a value of 16. The second command I want to introduce is the help command. If I just use CLC to clear this window, we can use the command help followed by a keyword, which is a MATLAB function, to gather information about it that is printed on the command line. Just before we use the command clear to remove a variable. It's a pretty simple command and it's pretty useful. In the future we'll see more complex functions that we will not completely be able to remember how they work exactly. For this we have help. If we just type help followed by a keyword, it prints the output of the MATLAB help file to the command line. This is the function name and there's a description of it here. We now have a list of the uses of the function called clear, and there's details on how to use it. At the bottom we see similar functions related to the one we searched for. This is a useful feature and I encourage you to use it a lot, because no one can ever remember every MATLAB function and how to exactly use it.